Welcome back, people. In this week's episode, Zach gets bullied by our cooking class instructor, we experience the infamous coconut boats, and Zach tries an espresso martini for the first time with mixed results. But first, it's time for some news. Zachary, what are you eating?
I'm gonna get khao lao,
Which is a traditional Vietnamese dish.
It's unbelievable. So what are you eating, Alex?
So I'm having the khao lao, but with tofu. Most really.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like meat, honestly.
I am.
We are in Hoi An, Old Town, and we're seeing the riverboats at night and the Lantern Festival. It's so fun! How are you feeling about your first day in Hoi An?
It's my social day. You don't know how to ride a bike, so that's always difficult.
Let me clarify. I do know how to ride a bike, but it's different here.
But besides that, it's been really nice. The food's been good, people have been nice, and it's been really pretty.
Got his beer with a view. Spending the day relaxing by the pool. Zachary, do you want to say hi? Zachary.
Talk to me about Self-Care Sunday.
Self-care Sunday in Hoi An looks like healthy Western.
What'd you do today? So what
do we do? We woke up and we laid by the pool. Then Zachary decided it was time for massages. So we got 60-minute massages. And now we're here.
Where's lunch?
I ate it. It was a falafel bowl, which obviously is not Vietnamese, but...
Are you telling me that you shouldn't be eating fried chicken and rice or pork every meal a day?
I'm pretty sure your doctor would say absolutely not, so that's why we're here.
Will my heart give out?
Yes.
We got a hummus toast here today with some feta, and then she's got the falafel plate with lettuce, as well as hummus.
And a carrot juice.
And then again, one of the teas from this country, which are so good. It's day 2 of our trip to Vietnam. And today was kind of a self-care day, as we talked about earlier. But right now we're just walking the streets of the old town, you know, looking for dinner, and looking for a cocktail.
Yeah.
But
the old town is so much, actually it's so much quieter than it was last night. It was a Saturday night in July, which I guess is a big time for local Vietnamese to travel as well. So it was extremely crowded. It was so overwhelming, but today is so much more manageable.
Rooftop in Vietnam, and I thought the first time to have an espresso martini was right now, so I'm gonna see how it plays out. So tasty. Oh fuck, it's all over. The wind blew all of my shorts. What the fuck? These shorts are nice. This is terrible.
Oh, no.
It's not very good. I don't like espresso martinis. This is not something I normally do, but here we are.
Well,
it's not going well. It's all over me. Today we're at a cooking class, and
we're going on the coconut boat. Let's hope neither of us falls in.
Cancel me for this one.
coconut boats.
Pandemonium out here.
Zachary, are you gonna do karaoke?
I'm not sure what I would do. What's your song, Alex?
I mean, we know what my song is.
I think Alex is Candy Shop. I'm not sure that these guys have Candy Shop by 50 Cent.
These coconut boats went viral on TikTok because they spun someone so hard that they fell into the water. So that's why neither of us will get in a spinning one. After the coconut boats, we started our cooking class by picking up the ingredients at the local outdoor markets. I'll let our teacher tell you what you're seeing in the next video.
The cowtail here. Look, many parts. The nose and ear and the blood cake over there.
Our first dish of the day was Vietnamese steamed rice rolls. We began by cutting some vegetables, and then it was time to prepare the rice paper by pouring the flour mixture. You ready to redeem yourself, Zachary?
You pour on it.
Zach had some trouble following directions, so his wasn't very successful.
1, 2, 3.
I mean, look at that lack of pour technique.
It's okay.
I'm not good with instructions.
Okay.
Wow. And then that rip that he created when smoothing the roll out onto the plate, the disappointment on his face says it all.
I need to be fast. Alex, what are you doing?
I'm rolling this rice paper. Is it a spring?
It's like a Vietnamese sushi.
I made my rice paper better than Zachary. So.
It's debatable. Here we go. Delicious.
The next dish that we made was a Hoi An rice pancake. Some pork, some shrimp, quail egg, which I've never had, bean sprouts, and then we made this with rice flour. We cooked that up like an omelet and then opened it up and rolled it into the rice paper with some fresh veggies. We found this cooking class on Get Your Guide, and we would highly recommend checking it out if you're in Hoi An. We'll leave the link below. Be sure to join us next week as we visit Bana Hills, somehow make our way to France, and tour more of the Hoi An ancient town.